We're all looking for smart ways to grow our money, right? The digital age has thrown open doors to investment opportunities that were once only for the super rich. Micro-investing apps, in particular, have democratized the world of finance, allowing us to invest with just a few spare dollars. It's exciting to think your small change could blossom into something significant, building a more secure future. But for many, especially those who follow Islamic principles, traditional investment avenues come with a big question mark. The concept of halal isn't just about what you eat, it extends to every aspect of life, including your finances. It's about ensuring your wealth is generated and managed in ways that are ethically sound and permissible under Sharia law. This means avoiding interest-based transactions, industries deemed harmful like alcohol or gambling, and excessive speculation. It's about investing with a clear conscience, knowing your money is doing good, not just for you, but for society as a whole. This crucial distinction often leads to a common dilemma. How do you reconcile modern, accessible investment platforms with deeply held faith-based values? It's a question we hear a lot, and it's particularly relevant when we talk about popular platforms like Raiz. So, if you've ever wondered, is Raiz investment halal, then you're in the right place. Let's dive straight into it. When we talk about Raiz, we're looking at a micro-investing platform that allows you to invest small amounts into diversified portfolios, often made up of exchange-traded funds, or ETFs. These ETFs, in turn, hold shares in various companies. The core issue for Sharia compliance lies in two main areas: the underlying assets these portfolios invest in, and the operational structure of Raiz itself. From our research, Raiz standard portfolios are generally not considered halal. The reason? They invest in a broad range of companies, many of which operate in industries that are not Sharia compliant. Think conventional financial institutions, companies involved in alcohol, tobacco, or gambling, and those with high levels of interest-based debt. This makes the standard Raiz offering problematic for those seeking a purely halal investment. Furthermore, Sharia compliance often requires a strict screening process for each individual stock within a fund, ensuring the business activities and financial ratios, like debt levels, adhere to Islamic principles. Platforms like Raiz, which typically offer preset, diversified portfolios, don't usually provide this granular, real-time Sharia screening for their general offerings. Now, it's important to note that the Islamic finance industry is growing rapidly, with increasing demand for halal investment solutions. This has led to the emergence of dedicated Sharia-compliant investment platforms and specific halal ETFs. These alternatives are designed from the ground up to adhere to Islamic principles, often involving a Sharia board for oversight and regular purification processes for any incidental impermissible income. So, while Raiz is a fantastic tool for many, if your primary concern is strict Sharia compliance, you'll likely find its current standard offerings don't fully align. It's crucial to always do your own thorough research and, if necessary, consult with a qualified Islamic finance scholar or advisor to ensure any investment aligns with your personal faith and values. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.